Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to review sentences. Do you remember what we did last week during our meet lesson? Think about the exercise on page 57 of Story Fun. Do you remember this exercise? Vi ricordate di questo esercizio? Look and write. Dovevate guardare e dovevamo scrivere una frase e loro ci davano le paroline. Dovevamo solo metterli in ordine. And so we had to write a sentence. So let's review what a sentence is. What is a sentence? Do you remember? A sentence is a group of words that form a complete idea. Una frase è un insieme di parole che compongono un'idea, che comunicano un'idea e questa idea è completa. Quindi una parola sola non è una frase. One word is not a sentence. A sentence is a group of words. A sentence begins with a capital letter and finishes with a full stop. Esatto, bambini. Bravissimi. Una frase inizia con una lettera maiuscola, a capital letter, and finishes with a full stop. E finisce con un punto. La punteggiatura, mamma mia. Punctuation, boys and girls. Punctuation, please. Miss Astrid loves punctuation. Io sono proprio pignola per la punteggiatura. Quindi we finish with a full stop. Great job, everybody. Very good. You remembered. Now, when we think in English, e qui è quando il mondo si apre. When your doors open. When we think in English, what do you need to remember? Cosa bisogna ricordarsi quando pensiamo in inglese? What do we need to remember when we think in English? In English, a sentence begins with a subject. Yes, we need a subject. Abbiamo bisogno di un soggetto in inglese. Sempre, sempre, sempre. Who does the action? Chi fa l'azione? In English, a sentence begins with a subject. E poi? And then? What goes after the subject? Cosa segue il soggetto? A verb. A subject is followed by a verb. Il soggetto è sempre seguito da un verbo. In English, the verb is the action. È la parola che ci dice la azione. action is the verb. So a sentence in English begins with a subject and it is followed by a verb. Great job, everybody. Now, practice makes perfect. Come quando si impara ad andare in bicicletta. La prima volta non ci viene bene, cadiamo, magari ci facciamo anche male, però teniamo duro, non abbiamo paura e andiamo avanti. Practice makes perfect. So take out your notebooks. Write the date. Today is Monday, the 18th of April, 2020. And answer the questions in your notebooks. Remember, use complete sentences. Number 1. What is your name? Number 2. Are you a boy or a girl? Number 3. Do you write with a pen or a pencil? Number 4. Is it day or night? Number 5. Is it cold or hot today? Number 6. How old are you? Number 7. Where do you live? Number 8. What do you like to play? Number 9. What do you like to eat? Miss Ashley likes to eat chocolate. And number 10. Where do you like to go? Great job, everybody. Here are the 10 questions all together. So put pause in the video, potete mettere pausa e controllare che avete risposto a tutte le domande. Prepare yourselves. That way, maybe during our meet lessons I will ask you these questions. Forse durante la nostra lezione di gruppo vi farò queste domande e mi dovete rispondere in frasi complete. You have to answer in complete sentences. See you later, alligator. Bye-bye, butterfly.